Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be learning how to draft a basic bodice. So the first thing to do is to divide your bust measurement because that's the largest size. Divide bust measurement by 4 and connect the lines. Then you mark your shoulder line and your neck width and neck depth. This neck width and depth can be determined by dividing your bust measurements by 12. Mine is 3, that's what I got for a round neck. But this depends on what you want. Then I marked my bust point and my under bust because that length is actually the length I want. That's my waist length. So there's no point marking the waist length. Then from my shoulder, I came down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. I marked my armhole. What I did was I divided my shoulder by 2 and I added half inch. The half inch is optional. You might not add if you don't want. So just connect the shoulder slope. Then the middle of your armhole, I came in by 1.7, 0.75 and I connected it to my bust line, my armhole. Then I marked my nipple to nipple measurement from my nipple line and I came down by 2 inches. That's the difference between the front length and the back length. I have a video where I included how to measure your bust and your front length and the back length to see that they are different. So I marked half an inch by the sides to for my bust my dart legs. Now I'm marking my waist measurement. Don't forget to add the dart legs because you definitely will cut it out. So for a round neck, I used 3 inches to make it round. As you can see, so I'm going to mark the same 9 inches here also. That's my bust divided by 4. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Then I marked my back length, which is 15 inches. I came in by 3 inches for my neck width and a neck depth of 1 inch. So I used my curve ruler to connect it. Then I marked my shoulder measurement. I came down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. And from there I marked 8.5. I have done this in the front. While I was constructing for the front, I did this. So it's not a new thing. So from there I came down to 9 inches. That's from where I'll start sewing my darts. So I marked my dart measurements. And for the dart leg, half an inch on both sides. Then I had to mark out my waistline plus the 1 inch for that and also half inch for zipper bulge. To eliminate zipper bulge, I connected it to my armhole line. So I do forget this armhole. I came in by 0.25 for the back armhole and I'm connecting it like that. So I'll just connect this with a straight line to the neck. That's practically all for this. So I'm just going to cut it out. And look at what I did here. I stopped at the bust point so that I'll be able to close the bust dart. This is very vital and important. And then I will remark, retake the measurements for that side before cutting that side. So that's practically all. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.